Hi YouTube. So today we are going to look how we can make glitchy sounds for Psytrance in Ableton using some cool plugins like Looperator and some gate plugins like A1 gate that is really famous in Psytrance. And we will take very basic elements like drum rolls uh, or drum loops and our kick bass and things like that, and let's check out how we can do that. And let's start. So if we can see here, like, we have some groups and they have drum sounds and kick bass, and let's listen to them one by one. Yeah, what we have got here, this is another uh, drum loop, and we have uh, stretched it, we have warped it, and we have put some texture on it and changed the grain size. There's an envelope, right? We are following this envelope. You can enable it by clicking on the grain size and enabling envelopes. So I've put some squares with my pencil. You can press B to make them and made a shape like this. So now my grain size are changing. Let's listen. And also I have used a wider from Infected Mushroom and Valhalla Room with little reverb on it, and also Valhalla Freak Echo, and I've automated the parameters. And like you can see here, all the automations which I've made, these are not these are very random automations, by the way, made by pencil, and also something random using mouse. Let's listen. So now there's another drum loop, the same loop with some different settings in it. Okay, so same kind of grain settings and flux, but we are using Chris Glitch, very cool plugin. It's kind of beat repeat from Boom Shankar Machines, then again Valhalla and Looperator. So now we'll use also Pro MB to control the dynamics. So now we'll use different settings of Looperator, different presets to get some amazing sounds, and we might record them as well. So now we will listen to this whole loop with our kick bass using different presets of Looperator, and it will sound very cool. Let's listen to it. Now let's take A1 gate and put on this loop, and let's see how it sounds. It will basically generate a rhythm which we can record and then play it with our kick bass, and change it, chop it, and use it in our tracks. So friends, this is how we can get some amazing sounds using some very basic plugins. Link to these plugins will be in the description. Go check them out. And if you have any questions, feel free to write down in comments. And also there are many important links which will help you out. So make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like our channel, and we'll come up with more videos. Thank you.